Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to build a e-commerce store, a Shopify site in less than 5 minutes. So first, I want to show you the actual site and what it looks like now. So if we actually click on the product itself, the landing page, this is what you will see. It's the AI translator earbuds that I've shown you multiple times. $40, $100. You have different color variants. And then you also have your quantity, add to cart, things that I've added. So your checkout, your basically your guarantees, as well as security, just to make them feel safe when purchasing. You have essentially your top 3 benefits or reasons why they should purchase, and then your how it works, things like this, so that they can feel more enticed to purchase. And then a lot of visualizations. I believe visualizing something versus actually having to read it, paragraph version of this, is very different and a lot better. So you have all your product information, and then you have reviews at the end, right? So we're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to use AI to build it very quickly. All right, so what you want to do, you want to look up Atlas inside of the App Store, the search, and then you'll see Atlas AI Store Builder. Click on this, click install, install again, and now all you need is the link to your AliExpress product. Now, I'll pull mine up on the side. And look for it really quickly. Boom. And then we'll do this. Now, all we need to do from this point forward is literally just click generate store. Now your store is being created. I'm going to allow it to continue to run in real time, but I'm just going to talk over it for a little bit so you can see how long it will actually take. Realistically, what you would have to do typically if you're creating a store is go through all these processes. You may have to use Photoshop or Canvas to create your logo. You may have to go through and actually pull in other things. But generally speaking, you should be able to do just that. Now our store is done. All we wanted, you can add other images if you'd like, but we're going to pull these 4 that have been selected, and we're going to click continue. For the color, I want this blue, so something similar. We'll click continue again. And then what you would do is start your free trial for however long. But we'll start a 3-day trial just so you can see what it looks like. Now your store is actually being created now that we've gone all the way through. Now, importing your store, it will take roughly the same amount of time, and you'll have your store ready. A fully built AI store, literally in less than 5 minutes. Now view your store. So now all we need to do is just install the Atlas theme by clicking the app embedded, and then you'll be able to allow them to basically take control over your site. So here we go. And just like that, we've created an AI store that looks arguably better than what we created, but literally in the snap of a finger. So when we look at it, you can change the free shipping or lingo buzz. Those are little small customizable things that you can change. But you have your M8 smart translator earbuds. You have your price. You have save 50%. It looks a little bit better. You have all of the same things that you typically had, 140 languages. So you have your call to actions or your benefits. You have the color, and then it shows the picture rather than just the color. And if I had white, it would take the white as well. You have your payment processors. So they came already, Amex, Visa, etc. When it would arrive, you have then you have more benefits. You have your reviews, fast and easy returns, worldwide shipping. You have pre-made reviews that come installed already. Perfect. You have your pre-made description that's collapsible. Perfect. You have your most common questions. And then lastly, you have your processing and shipping, answering that question again. 365-day warranty plus the shipping, fast shipping. So all of these things trusted by Atlas. I would probably remove this. And then what makes us different? Look at how clean this is already. You have the different benefits of it, how we check off all these boxes versus the other competition doesn't, and then reasons why to trust us. The pictures again of the product, but then also 96% effortlessly communicate with any language in the world. And then all of these benefits to really help you and push you towards purchasing the product. You can continue going down, why choose us, what you can expect, all these things that were literally pre-built immediately. A perfect site that was put together, more reviews, frequently asked questions that are at the bottom, and then more pieces at the end. Now, would I have a landing page that is that long? Not necessarily. However, I would probably remove certain things from it, which you can edit inside of the dashboard of the application. But this is a perfect example of like how quickly you can use AI to build sites and actually put things together better than what you could do in your own time. Even if you do have skills, people will not notice the difference that this was made by AI versus an actual person. If you want to find other tips and tricks like this that you've never seen, check the top link in the description where you can find other tips and tricks that I've learned, experienced, and I want to give to you for free. So that's it. Very quick, straight to the point. The site was made literally in less than 5 minutes, and you can do the same. So take this, use it, because it is a great tool that you can have so that you can limit the amount of work that you have to do, and it will allow you to test multiple products very quickly.